Welcome to US Deep Agenda YouTube channel. The conflict on the Ukrainian border continues to escalate at every moment. After the fierce clashes in the region, Russia started shelling again and attacks many city centers. At the same time, serious conflicts continue to take place in Kherson, which is occupied by Russia. More than 30 Russian combat helicopters were reported to have been destroyed overnight in the Kherson region. In the statement made by the Ukrainian Naval Forces Command, it was stated that more than 36 enemy helicopters were destroyed in the Kherson region last night. Ukrainian soldiers bombarded the Chornobivka airfield near Kherson at night. The invaders decided to partially deploy their fleet there. 30 enemy helicopters were destroyed, as well as manpower and equipment, the statement said. It's called. The other day, on the approach to Mykolaiv, 3 enemy convoys were destroyed. The Ukrainian defenders captured trophies, a large number of ammunition, wheeled equipment and 7 D-20 howitzers. On February 24, Russian President Vladimir Putin announced the start of the invasion of Ukraine. Russian troops bombard and destroy important infrastructures, mass bombing residential areas of Ukrainian cities and towns using artillery, multiple launch rocket systems and ballistic missiles. Martial law was declared in Ukraine and general mobilization was declared. Ukraine formally sued the Russian Federation at the UN International Court of Justice in The Hague. At the same time, Ukrainian President Zelensky reacted strongly to NATO's failure to declare Ukrainian airspace a no-fly zone. Zelensky stated in his statements that the North Atlantic Alliance was also responsible for the Ukrainians who lost their lives. At the same time, he demanded a new meeting with Russian President Putin to end the war. You can subscribe to our channel to follow the developments in the most up-to-date form and closely.